Kia ora, ko Amy Rāpana tuku ingoa, and this Matariki ki te whakanui o aku tamihine.
My favourite thing about Matariki is that it is a time for us to celebrate. What are you celebrating this Matariki?
This year I'm going to be celebrating aku tamihine, he Aotearoa, etahi ki te kura karate o Nai. So she's actually in her year 13 now, where she is going through universities, looking, scholarship, applying. She is putting 110% into getting herself there next year. So I think she needs to be celebrated this year. As my other daughter, she's 7 and she is just a gem. She loves everything Māori. So gonna acknowledge my 2 girls this Matariki from me.
Oh, I love that so much. How are you going to celebrate together?
Ka haere tahi mātou pia ki tētahi wāhi spa, ka whakanui te wāhenetanga o i roto i a mātou. That's just how I like to give my girls that experience. It's one way to refresh, reset and take care of yourself. Tō tinana, tō haurua, tō wairua ne. And then of course kaitahi mātou. That is one of the best ways I love to celebrate everything we do in life at the moment.
I want you as my mum.
Manawatia Matariki e te whānau.